Nagpi-pickleball ka ba? Alam mo na ba yung brand na Palakol? I'm sure you guys have heard about the brand Palakol, pero mas maraming curious sa inyo if it's local or imported. Para sabihin ko sa inyo, ang Palakol ay Filipino-owned but made with the same materials as the imported brands. Pero what's the big deal with Palakol performance gear?
We went on a road trip to Lipa, Batangas to meet fellow brand ambassadors of Palakol, to welcome home the owner and founder of the brand, Ronnie Reyes. He and his family lives in Dallas, Texas, where this all started. Palakol was the first paddle I purchased, and I share a lot of common things with the brand. And for today's episode of The Big Deal, you'll find out a lot of things about the brand Palakol and why you should have this as part of your pickleball gear. My wife's been bugging me to try out pickleball since November 2024 until we found a group of my high school batchmates who were already playing. Itong asawa ko na una pang bumili ng damit at ng paddle sa akin. And while I was still saving up and trying to decide what paddle to get, I searched. We started playing in February 2025, just this year, and I was using those cheap entry-level paddles. Then I started seeing this brand Palakol online. It was unique. It was rock and roll. Just the way I wanted it. Napakaangas. And I wondered if it was Filipino-owned. So I checked their website and I checked the specs. Then I decided to get my first paddle, the Tomahawk. Funny story, I started posting video content with my paddle kasi I was so fond of it. And then suddenly, I get a call from Ronnie Reyes. And the rest was history.
So I am here with Team Palakol. When I say Team Palakol, these are the most important people for the brand. Right beside me is the owner and founder of the brand Palakol, Palakol Performance, together with his partner. We have here Ronnie Reyes and Chiki Legaspi. And thank you for inviting us here sa napakagandang venue natin sa Banay-Banay. Ronnie, would you share with our viewers how you formed Palakol and how it all started?
Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa Pilipinas na sumusubaybay sa Palakol. But simula kami sa Dallas. When I started playing pickleball, inibita ako ng anak ko for a pickleball and a breakfast, and I fell in love with it. Kung paano nagsimula yung Palakol, I've been inviting friends to start playing pickleball, and I started a group called Pinoy DFW. There's one time na meron kaming bisita from Virginia, and right after that day, he shared with me a paddle. Sabi niya, nagde-develop ako ng sarili ko na paddle. But this is only for a small-scale business. And when I start playing pickleball, I really want to do something beyond playing pickleball. So, naisip ko na kagad na I want to do something different. And nung na-introduce sa akin yan, sabi ko, I want to start my own brand. Before, ang iniisip ko na, kasi every time na may mga naglalaro na beginner, sabi ko, ang paglalaro ng pickleball, para lang gumagamit ka ng tsinelas. Para yung pag pinapalo yung ng tsinelas, sabi ko But sabi ko, tsinelas is not gonna be a good name. And I came up with the Palakol. Dahil alam mo yung Palakol kasi pag ginamit mo ang Palakol, hindi mo pwedeng, you have to do it soft. Kailangan bigay mo your best. And it relates to a Filipino na yung hard work natin. Sanay tayo na sa hirap. Talagang we have to give our best when it comes to So, naisip ko yung Palakol. And it grows from there.
Yeah, well, thank you for sharing that with us. Alam nyo guys, both Ronnie and Chiki are from sales. Pag hindi nyo pa na nakilala si Chiki sa lahat ng mga pinuntahan niyang venues, X na kayo.
Sinimulan namin yung Palakol Philippines para we can do more. Para we can, mas mapalaki pa namin ang brand. Chiki reached out to me like, hey, Ronnie, uwi ka pala. And what is that Palakol? And I don't know anything about pickleball. So I invited Chiki here. And senior ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, I want to be part of that.
That's correct. I have no sports whatsoever in my body.
Yes.
So when I saw that he came to the Philippines, I just kinamusta ko lang. Hi, Harry, what are you doing? The moment I saw it, and then I did my research also, and I was like, I didn't know pickleball was already a big thing.
Correct.
There's so many, just so many good things that you can say about, being part of the community talaga.
Si Chiki, wag kayong madideceive, 4.6 player. 4.6 player yan.
Yeah.
And now if you can see here on the table, you can see here some apparel. We have shirts, we have caps.
Yes.
Chiki is wearing a prototype sock.
Wala pa yan.
Wow.
Pair of sock. So every now and then we're also trying to come up with different apparel and merchandise. Syempre kasi it's a total total gear to it from head to toe.
Coming soon, they have to watch out for. We have a lot of things that we're working on, from apparel to gear, bags, and things like that.
Yeah, well, speaking of apparel, what Chiki is wearing and what I've been wearing ever since sa lahat ng mga previous episodes ko, I've been wearing this. Baka sabihin kasi ng mga viewers ng vlog, yun lang yung t-shirt ko panlaro. But anyway, we would like to do a shout out to James, our graphic designer,
and also our ambassador,
and also our one of our ambassadors who created the graphics for the shirt. And hopefully, baka produce pa tayo ng mas madami. Ang dami pa nating pwedeng pag-usapan with Palakol. Some final words for our viewers. Ano pa yung mga upcoming na pwede natin i-share?
If they follow we invite everybody to follow our social media pages. Facebook is Palakol Performance, and our Instagram is also Palakol Performance. You'll see their updates. Like on October 12, we're gonna have the Team Palakol. Yeah. We have exciting new paddles that are coming up really, really soon. We have the Panday. And our second version of the Pamaypay. So they gotta watch out for that kasi maganda.
Maraming salamat. It's always good to be part of something.
Yes.
When you share the same passion with other people, it's nice to be part of something bigger. And I always believe that Palakol has something bigger than what we can even see right now.
Right.
And eventually, Palakol, by the way, has just started 2024.
November in Dallas.
Yes.
November.
But here in the Philippines, this year lang.
This year lang.
Yeah.
Around the same time na nag-start ako mag-pickleball, doon ko palang nakita ang Palakol.
Yes.
That is also why I also fell in love with the brand. And I've always been behind them, supporting them. Kasi, aside from it being Pinoy,
yeah.
it also screams patriotism. It screams passion that we all share. On behalf of these two, I also would like to say thank you to everyone who has contributed. Yung mga clubs, yung mga individuals, yung mga communities who have accepted us doing demos, doing tournaments. So thank you very much for always being behind us. Once again, we have Ronnie Reyes and Chiki Legaspi. We're going to see more of them hopefully in the coming months, especially in 2026 when things get bigger for Palakol Performance here.
All right.
Part of this day's activity was a free clinic for Banay-Banay's youth to try out pickleball. Akala nila madali lang, basta makahampas ng bola. Nung pinasubok namin maglaro, tagaktak ang pawis nila. Yung iba, akala nila basketball lang ipapalaro. Pero may mga nakita kaming natural at mukhang babalik para sumubok ulit. At the end of the day, pickleball after all is all about inclusivity. The vibe is always fun. That's why we all end up wanting more. That's what Palakol is all about. And we've only just begun. So that's it, mga followers. Maraming salamat for reaching this part of my vlog. And if you like this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts and reactions, or what I can do for my next episode. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for my next uploads. Check out my old videos too. And that's the big deal with Palakol. See you in the next dink.
Thank you.